Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to check old stories on Instagram. To do that, open Instagram app. Go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. Now go to settings by pressing three lines at the top right. Select archive. From the top, make sure to select stories archive. We have stories archive, posts archive, live archive. Make sure to select stories archive to see old stories. So here are saved stories history posted earlier by this account on Instagram. We can view these, we can share these again and make highlights with them. But here is something important to note. When you post a story on Instagram, it expires after 24 hours. You can see expired stories on your profile, not others, unless you repost them. You can also make highlights with them. This way you can make them stay longer than 24 hours on your profile. To make sure expired stories remain archived, you need to turn on one setting. To do that, go to your profile, press three lines at the top right, scroll down. Under your app and media, select archiving and downloading. Make sure this option is turned on, save story to archive. If this option is checked, your stories will be saved to archive after they get removed from your profile. This way you can access them again or view history of your stories again on Instagram. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.